Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. So today we'll be dealing with the soil science. The agenda will be topic 1, that is soil formation, topic 2, types of soils. What is soil and how is it formed? Earth is divided into three parts basically. First is crust, core and mantle. And these are composed of very small bits of particles and humus. The soil is loose upper layer of the mantle rock that supports plant growth. There are many types of soil, but it is in general composed of mineral, rock particles, dead and decaying organic matter, moisture, and air. So, generally, the soil is composed of four main elements, which are air, water, organic and inorganic matter, rocks. So, the formation of soil follows a complex process known as perogenesis. So, this which under specific climatic condition, the rock and other elements of the natural environment break down and contribute to the soil formation. Type and the texture of the soil are not same everywhere. It depends on the density and the profile of the soil and varies from region to region. For example, we have eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau is rich in red soil, whereas Gujarat is rich in black soil. So now we come towards the 10 types of soil. It consists of various like alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, that is rigor soil, arid desert soil, laterite soil, the saline and alkaline soil, peaty and marshy soil, and forest soil. This is alluvial soil. It is the most widespread soil in the northern region of India and composed of 40% of the total soil in the country. And it is mainly found in the Indo-Ganga and Brahmaputra plain. The types of alluvial soil is broadly categorized into two types. One is new alluvial soil and old alluvial soil. Old alluvial soil composed of slightly elevated areas far away from the river and are basically clayey and sticky, whereas alluvial soil is found in the river's floodplain and is more fertile than the old alluvial soil. Next, we're coming towards the laterite soil. It is primarily found in the region of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra Pradesh, and is the best suited for soil for cultivating tree crops like cashew nuts. Laterite soil comprises 3.7% of the total soil in the country. Laterite is a clayey rock or soil formed under higher temperature and high rainfall and with an alternate dry and wet period. Minerals like potash and iron oxide are abundant in laterite soil, whereas the organic matter, phosphate, calcium, and nitrogen are highly deficient in the soil. This type of soil is unsuitable for agriculture due to the high content of acidity and inability to retain moisture. Next is the red soil. Red soil is also known as yellow soil. The soil, rich in red in color due to the higher concentration of iron oxide, covers the total land area of 18% of the country and develop an granite and genesis rock under low rainfall conditions. That is due to weathering of the metamorphic rocks. The red soil is best for crops like wheat, tobacco, oilseed, millets, and cotton. Red soil is friable and medium fertile, found mainly in Western Ghats, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, etc. During monsoon or when the red soil is in its hydrated form, then it appears in yellow color. That is why we call it as yellow soil. Soil is red due to the excessive presence of iron in metamorphic and crystalline rocks. Next is black soil, also called as black cotton soil as it is best suited soil for cotton crops. So black cotton covers the total land area of 15% of the country. Black soil can be found in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, etc. As the same name, the color of the soil is black but varies from black to grey. It is rich in iron, lime, magnesium, aluminium, and potassium, but it lacks phosphorus, nitrogen, and organic matter. Apart from cotton, other cash crops like pulses, castor, tobacco, sugarcane, and linseed are cultivated in black soil. Next is mountain soil. As the name says, mountain soil is a soil that is found in hilly areas. So, soil may be vary from region to region. This type of soil are changed according to the altitudes. As we go up, the soil will change. So it is loamy and silty in the valleys and coarse grained on the upper slopes. The soil found in the lower valleys is highly fertile in nature and is also known as forest soil. In the snowy areas of the Himalayan range, the soil is acidic in nature and has much lesser humus as compared to the plain areas. Saline soil, also called as alkaline soil, because it has a higher percentage of potassium, magnesium, and sodium, and therefore is very infertile in nature. Since the soil has a higher percentage of sodium in it, therefore it lacks nitrogen and calcium. Saline soil can be found in the Sundarban area of West Bengal, the run of Kutch, Western Gujarat Delta. Saline soil can be used to grow leguminous crops. Peaty and marshy soil can be found in the regions which receive rich rainfall. Since they are highly moisturized in soil and are rich in water content, marshy soil is very rich in humus and organic matter. Marshy soils are dense in nature due to the presence of water and appear black in color. So these can be found in Bihar, Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Odisha. Crops like paddy, rice, cassava, maize, and fruits like cranberries and sweet potatoes are grown in the marshy soil. Desert soil, found majorly in the Rajasthan, and covers approximately 4.42% of the total land of the country. In the absence of sufficient wash by rainwater, soils have become saline and rather unfit for cultivation. In spite of that, cultivation can be carried on with the help of modern irrigation. The color of desert soil may vary from red to vice versa. Desert soil is rich in phosphate but lacks nitrogen. The conker layer are created, which is caused of the presence of higher calcium concentration in the soil, which lowers the soil horizon. This conker layer prevents the water from penetrating deep. Thank you. So we'll be dealing with other topics.